Oh hey! You came here for an unboxing of Mavic Air, right? Well, we'll do the unboxing. Just let me finish the race and you'll understand everything. Woo! Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel. We are Atellani, I'm Isabella, and today we are very excited because we have this little baby here and we'll be doing some unboxing. Yeah! Okay, so I got my Mavic Air flame red color. I'm very excited to see how it looks in real life. First thing you get to see is the cover. Nice, it's a very nice cover. It's small, so you can carry in your bag. That's cool. Oh my god, flame red. It looks like a Ferrari. It's Ferrari red, you know. Look what I have here. Yeah, a Ferrari simulator. Now you understand the setup. Here it goes. It's pretty small. Here it is. You can see it. It's very good. The first thing I noticed is that there are sensors here and there are sensors also here. There is this small gimbal clamp. Okay, gone. Anyway, let's unfold it. So, I got it. Well, to unfold the arms, you have to unfold it in two different ways. These ones are just like this, pretty easy. And this ones, you have to unfold it downwards. Do it very carefully so you won't break your drone. Okay, we have it. Here it is. This is the camera. It has like 3 axes. It's a very nice camera. Now the battery. Here you can see the battery. Let's put it together again. Here it goes. I also happen to have here with me a Spark. I was very curious just to some comparison. At a first glance, it looks like the Mavic Air is bigger than the Sparker, but much bigger. But the Spark has the arms that are not foldable, so maybe it gets smaller. Let's see. This is the Spark. This is the Mavic Air. Together, it looks pretty small to me. Not even that bigger, is it? Look, here it is, front, backwards, in all positions possible. So, Spark, you're not that cool anymore. What are the other things inside this bag? A black box. What's inside this black box? Here you have propellers for some safe droning. Here's some manuals, DJI Care Refresh, battery manuals, flight manuals, and safety manuals, and manuals. Yeah. We've got the controller. Here's the controller. Here you have the controller, the new controller of the Mavic Air. It has no LCD as the other controllers we are used to, but maybe we don't need them. The sticks. Here are the sticks. You can take it off, put it back when you need it. So this is very nice because sometimes it's just, you know, not very handy to carry these things around. You just have these things, you know, getting trapped in everything else. I like it. You just put your phone here, you use the screen of your phone. And there you have it. What else? Accessories. Here is the charger, the cable, and it's a flat cable. I love flat cables. Here we have more cables and more cables. Let's go outside and try it. The new Mavic Air is much lighter than the Mavic Pro, a little bigger than the Spark, but it can fly more because you have 21 minutes of flight, and also it's faster than the Spark. And I love that it's foldable, so you can just bring it with you
drone for those who travel, who's always on the go and want to bring it in your backpack. I really like it.
Hi everyone! No, ho toccato il microfono. 2, 1, di nuovo.